Hello YouTube, this is Joanne coming to you today with another awesome tutorial working from home. Mondays and Tuesdays I do my work from home videos. So before you go any further, like and subscribe to the channel so when I do my work from home videos on Mondays and Tuesdays, you will be the first one to get notified so you don't miss out on anything I do Mondays and Tuesdays with the work from home because I know we all want to get paid. Without further ado, the first job opportunity is called ESCRIBER. ESCRIBER. You must have a high school. You must have a high school diploma, and you must have a high school diploma. That's it. All you have to have a high school diploma or GED, whichever you have is fine. You must have high-speed internet. You must have a computer or laptop. Have a Windows computer, preferably. If you have a Windows computer, this is the job for you. You must commit to meeting deadlines. Like if they send you, if they say, for instance, they said, Joanne, you have to do this project and you have up until 2 o'clock and it's 12:30. You have an hour and a half to do that project. And when you finish, you send all the attachments to the company. And they be like, okay, well, she did that, all right. So they can, so they'll show, so you can show them that you're dependable, and they can uh, give you more things to do, like more information to fix, or they'll give you more customers to take care of. So that you got to show them that they can depend on you. So that's basically what it is about, and it's $10 an hour, and this is a full-time position. It just basically, it's like a virtual assistant, basically customer service. It's it's funny. It's a lot of the work from home jobs is customer service because a lot of people can't come out their home, like they're bound, and they're homebound, and this is perfect for them. Like for me, like for instance, I mean, I have depression, I have social anxiety, so working from home was beautiful for me. I was so happy that I can actually work from home and make money. So this could be helpful for you, like it can help you out. But this one is $10 an hour. It's called eScriber, and the next one is called SITEL, SITEL, customer service. It's sales. It's into sales, and you just be on the phone, selling their product. You gotta have excellent verbal and listening skills. I mean, all you gotta do is listen and just because you're going to be making sales, so you gotta promote the sales. You gotta make sales. You gotta sell product. Basically, it's just a sales position. It's $10 an hour. You gotta have a laptop. You gotta have a high school diploma. A high school diploma. That's it. Like the last one, you gotta have a high school diploma. You can have good verbal skills, and that's basically it. And it's $10 an hour. So that's pretty good, and it's called SITEL. So $10 an hour is not too bad because minimum wage is $7.25. So $10 an hour is pretty cool. So imagine working full time and $10 an hour. So just think about that. Let that sink in. And I'm going to put the link on the bottom, and you just sign up. Make your $10 an hour working from home. And all you got to have is a high school diploma or your GED. Either or, because they're the same equivalent. So I'm going to put the links on the bottom. And let me know how that went for you. Comment on the bottom. And let me know how the job went for you. I want to know what happened. How did it go? When you apply for the job, how did that go? I want to know. I want to be informed. I want to know what happened. So I want to know how that went for you. I want just know if the job was it a good niche for you, or because I could tell you I have plenty jobs, work from home jobs. I'm gonna put the link on the bottom, and I have plenty work from home jobs that you can look at and sign up for. If this one don't work from you, I got like 30, maybe like 30 others that you could check out on my channel. I'm gonna put the link, and you right on the bottom. Put the link on the bottom, and you just go and check it out. See what you can find. All right. I have plenty of opportunities. If this one don't work, I have another one, and I'm doing them every Mondays and Tuesdays, so you don't miss out on anything. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything that I do on Mondays and Tuesdays, because that's when I do my videos, my work from home videos. But yeah, I'm gonna say thank you for coming to my channel. I appreciate you, and I want you to know that I'm here for you, and I want you to know that I will be putting these work from home jobs out Mondays and Tuesdays. So be looking for me. Like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything I do on Mondays and Tuesdays. All right? So take care. Enjoy the day. And I'm put the links on the bottom so you can apply for these jobs. These are some good jobs. And I just want you to make money and generate money into your home. Make money for yourself so you don't be struggling in these streets. These streets is rough. So I want you to just know that the jobs are out there, and now I'm going to do my part so you can get a job. All right? So I'm going to say take care, and I'll do some more later. Do some more work from home videos. All right? Take care. Thank you for coming to the channel. Bye-bye.